Okay, so I'm starting with my Elemis. This is the Pro Collagen Cleansing Balm, and this is like a traditional, I would say, cleansing balm in a way, because you can use it, you know, just like this, and then remove it with a towel, with like a washcloth. But also it works, for example, if you want to just rinse it off with water. And then to remove it, I have a damp washcloth. This is also from Elemis, and I just remove it like this. And my skin feels really fresh and refreshed in a way. But also because it's morning, I don't want anything, you know, too dramatic to cleanse my face with, so this works perfectly. Now moving on to Claire's Supple Preparation Facial Toner. I absolutely love this stuff. It's very good. It has more like a thicker consistency. It's like a gel, watery gel in a way, but it's very hydrating. And usually I like actually to apply a couple of layers of this. Basically give my skin just that, you know, extra hydration and that oomph. I really like it, makes it really soft. Plus it also of course prepares everything, you know, all the surface for the next products that I will use. Now this is probably not the most travel friendly bottle because it's quite big, but I just love this so much, so I just need to have this all the time. Next now is a moisturizer, my Claire's. This is the calming midnight blue calming cream, and it looks just like a bluish gel consistency. And again, I like to apply quite a lot of this all over and to massage this, you know, into my face. And this is the same as the toner, very soothing, calming. It's really good if you go overboard with your acids, like I do very often. And when my skin is basically irritated, when I have breakouts or just, you know, stuff like this, it's really nice, and it has again some amazing ingredients. And of course I will list everything in the description box. It's very affordable as well, so for what it is, I think the price is just brilliant. As I mentioned, I really like Claire's products, and that's all because of Renee Gothamista. She introduced me to this brand, and then, you know, I tried some more stuff from them and I'm in love. I love the price, I love the ingredients, I love the brand itself, because all their products are very good for people with very sensitive skin, with rosacea, with eczema, with some kind of acne problems and stuff like this. So for probably like everybody, I would say. So all the products are good for any skin types. And now as the last thing, I do have eye mask from Elemis. This is the Pro Collagen Hydrogel Mask, and I just put these underneath my eyes. These are also very good if you have some kind of fine wrinkles underneath your eyes. Just smooths out everything. It gives you that extra hydration. It's very good as well if you're going somewhere and you need that under eye area to look fabulous and to look also refreshed. Also, my mom really loved these because it's good for wrinkles. So if you have a, you know, fine lines or wrinkly under eye area, this really just smooths out everything. And my mom is all about that smooth life, okay? So every time I go home, she's like, Diana, can you please bring more of those eye patches? Okay. And I keep this on for like 15-20 minutes if I have this much time. Now the next step, I will use of course my SPF. This is Matte Protect from Goodall, and I used this in the past as well on my channel. It's one of my favorite sunscreens because it's a natural filter one. It's not super whitish, like it will not give you that super ashy kind of cast. Goodall is again a Korean skincare brand, and I love this one because it's a natural filter one, and I do prefer a more natural filter sunscreens than, you know, a chemical one. Although, you know, sometimes if it's a good chemical sunscreen, I don't mind it, but I still prefer, you know, a natural filter one. So yes, it leaves a little bit of whitish cast, but it's nothing like too dramatic. Of course, if you have a very, you know, like a chocolatey skin, this is probably not for you, but for fair, light, and even light medium skin, this probably will work. Okay guys, so that's it. This is my skincare routine, my travel skincare routine. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Let me know if you tried any of these products or you are curious to test them. And I will see you in my next video. Bye!